Hello my dear student. So here we are taking the trigonometric table. In previous slide we have already seen how to construct we have trigonometric table for some specific angle. Now we take some problem based on this. Suppose we want to discuss or find in triangle ABC right angle at B. So we are given a triangle ABC right angle at B. This is the triangle ABC whose right angle at the point B. And what says AB equal to 5. So this AB is given as 5 centimeter and angle ACB is given as 30 degree. This ACB. Now this angle is 30 degree. Then say we have to find the BC and AC. So this is very important. Whenever you find such type of problem, you have to see we given always two things. Either two sides are given or two angles are given or one angle and one side is given. So if you know two, then with the help of the trigonometric table, we can find the values of this. Clear? So first of all, we have to see this values of this. So already we take 3 steps. If you not remember, you consider the prime whole number 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Second step, each one is divided by 4. So 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. So we divide by 4. Then you take the root of each. Root of each number you have to take. And then you simplify it and exactly you have to put up here and put here. Clear? So we can take 0 by 4, value is 0. 1 root of 1 is 1 and 4 is 2. So 1 by 2. Then this divide 2, divide by 2, 1 to 4, 1 upon 2. So root of 1 is 1 and root of 2 is 2. Then root 3 remains and root of 4 is 2. Now 4 by 4 that is 1. So this is the sign. So in very small time of interval you can construct this table. Now cos theta we take in reverse order or you can take in reverse order. Whatever we write this, so take here first 1, then this value, root 3 by 2, then this value we put here and this value. So we get this. Now you can easily calculate tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So 0 upon 1, 0. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. If you divide 2, so we get 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divide 1 by root 2. Both are same divide then 1. Root 3, 2 divide 1 by 2. So 2 will divide so root 3. Now this is 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 that is infinity. Here 1 divided by 0. Now cosine is the reciprocal of sine. So 0 upon 1 reciprocal is 1 upon 0 that is infinity. So 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. 1 by root 2, 2. Root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. 1 reciprocal 1. Similarly sec theta reciprocal of cos. 1 upon 1, 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2, 2. Reciprocal 1 by 2, 2. 0. 0 reciprocal 1 by 0 that is infinity. Clear? Now cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So 0 upon 1 that is 1 upon 0 infinity. 1 by root 3 that is root 3 by 1. 1 by 1 1. Root 3 1 by root 3 and infinity 0. So very quick time we get this table because we need this table for every question or such type of problem. So you can say here in solution you can write here angle C equal to 30, angle B equal to 90 and AB equal to 5 centimeter. Now our considering angle is this B and this is 90. So side containing the two angle is known as this. This is the base and this is the perpendicular and side opposite to the 90 degree that is isosceles. So these three sides we know. Now AB is given, we have to find BC. So you have to take the ratio in such a way. One side is given and one we have to find. Clear? So we take AB is given and BC we want to find. So this is the perpendicular and this is the base. So now again you can see the trigonometric Pandit Badri Prasad So this is, you can see in with this find P upon B. P upon B, that is this is sine, this is cos and this is tan. So what we get? Tan. So this equal to tan of theta. Now what is the value of theta? Theta means the measurement of the given angle or considering angle. So tan 30. So here P, that is this 5 is given, base that is BC we want to find, and tan 30, value of tan 30 now you go in the table, tan 30, that is value of tan 30 this column and row, so that is 1 by root. So cross multiply, so BC equal to 5 root 3. So in this way you get the value of BC as 5 root 3 centimeter. Now say you have to also find this one. AC you have to find. So again you take this side and one given side. So you take AB upon also AB upon AC. That is AB is our perpendicular. So perpendicular and AC is our hypotenuse. So this is the ratio of the side perpendicular and hypotenuse. That is sin theta. So P upon S is sin. So sin of angle. So what angle we are considering? 30. Now value of sin 30 again see table. The column of the row of the sin and column of 30, that is 1 by 2. These two match. So value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. So now P, that is given already 5, H that we want to find AC. Now cross multiply, so AC equal to 10 centimeter. So in this way we can find the value of the side of the triangle if we are given one angle and one side. So this is very easy, but we have to remember about the table. Next problem we consider in triangle PQR. So we consider the triangle PQR. This is the triangle PQR. Now what say in triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So we are taking Q as a right angle, with this is 90-degree angle. Other two angles P and Q are acute angle. Also we are given PQ equal to 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. And PR equal to 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. So we are given the two sides of the triangle and say determine angle QPR. Determine angle QPR. This angle you have to find out, and angle PRQ. So these two angles we have to find. So in solution you write down given PQ equal to 3 centimeter, PR equal to 6 centimeter. So let angle QPR equal to theta. This angle we are considering and suppose that theta. So see, we are given angle 90, Q and P considering. So the side containing two angles is always called as a base. So this is the base of the triangle. And side opposite to 90 degree, that is hypotenuse. And side remaining is perpendicular. So we know, give the name of the three sides. Clear? Now we have to consider Because here you have to find the angle. So to find the angle, you always take the ratio of the two given sides. Clear? To find the angle, we have to take the ratio of two known sides whose measurement is already given. So you can take in triangle PQR, we take ratio of PQ upon PR. So PQ is the base upon PR is the hypotenuse. So now you can say which trigonometric ratio denote base upon hypotenuse. So you can say this formula base upon hypotenuse, that is cos. So we can say this equal to cos of considering angle, that is theta. So now PQ as given 3, PR as given 6, cos theta. So cos theta equal to 3 by 6 divide 3 divide 1 2. So 1 by 2. Now you can see the table. This is very important and interesting also. You can see the row of cos theta at what angle its value is 1 by 2. So cos theta move in this direction. This is 1 by 2. Cos theta at what angle? 60. So cos 60 gives you 1 by 2. It means this cos theta value 1 by 2 at what angle? So cos theta equal to cos 60. 1 by 2 replaced by cos 60. Now cos and cos remove. Both sides same operator are removed. So we get what? Theta equal to 60 degrees. So this is the angle. Theta means, therefore angle QPR equal to 30 degrees. Now in this triangle, if this angle is 30 and this is already 90. So by angle sum property, by angles sum property of triangle, angle R or angle PRQ is equal to 90 minus, because this is already 90 and the sum of the remaining will be also 90. So 90 minus this angle. So 90 minus 30, which is, hence we get angle QPR equal to 60 degree. Angle QPR is 60, not 30. So you may write here 60. So this is 30. And angle, second angle PRQ, that is 30. So this is our answer. Angle QPR we get 60. So by angle sum property of triangle, angle third, because sum of two angles 90. So 90 minus 1. So that is 30. So we get angle PRQ 30 degree and angle QPR 60. So here we can say if one side of any other part may be given, then we can find the remaining parts of the triangle. So this is very interesting topic. In any triangle, if you are given one side and any other one part is given, any other one part means angle any one is given or any one side is given. So with the help of this, we can find the remaining angles or side of the triangle by using this table. Okay? This is, so table is very important that we have to consider. So dear student, next type of the problem we discuss. Say if sine of a minus b or a difference b equal to 1 by 2 and cos of a plus b equal to 1 by 2 and a plus b lies between 0 and 90. Some of these are equilateral and a greater than B. That's why this is positive. Find A and B. So such type of problem is given, then we have to solve. Here we have to identify the value of sine at what angle is 1/2, value of cos at what angle is 1/2. So we see the value on the right hand side. So we can here write sine of A minus B equal to 1/2. So sine of A minus B equal to. Now see the row of the sine. Sin theta at what angle is 1/2? That is 30. It means sin 30 can be replaced by 1/2. So we can write 1/2 as sin 30 degree. Clear? So what we get? Sin of A minus B equal to sin of 30. So both sides same operator are there. They can be removed. We cannot say cancel. Because these are operator can be never cancelled, they can be removed each other. So here A minus B, therefore we what get? A minus B equal to 30 degree. So this is equation number 1. Now similarly if you consider second one, that what says cos of A plus B equal to 1/2. So now again we see the row containing cos at what angle its value is 1/2. So here cos theta we move forward to find out value as 1/2. So this is 1/2. Why 1/2? Because right side contains 1/2. So cos theta is 1/2 at what angle? 60 degree. So it means cos theta or cos 60 is 1/2. So 1/2 can be replaced by cos 60. So again here you get cos A plus B equal to cos 60. So equal to side, both sides contain same operator. They can be removed. So we get A plus B equal to 60. Now we get two equations as you have already seen in previous class. Pair of linear equation in two variable, or you can solve in second chapter. Pair of linear equation in two variable. Here like x y. A means x, B means y. So solving 1 and 2, we get. So what? A minus B equal to 30 and A plus B equal to 60. Now add this. Clear? By elimination method you can say. So B and minus B cancel. A plus A 2A. 60 plus 30 90. So we get A equal to 45 degree. So you can put this value of A either in second or first. We put in second. We put the value of A equal to 45 in this. So 45 plus B equal to 60. So simplify. B equal to 60 minus 45, that is 50. So required answer, we get answer A angle, say find angle A and B. So A equal to 45 degree and B equal to 15 degree. So very easy, we can find the value. Clear? So it is very interesting topic in mathematics. So next problem we have discussed. So students, see the next problem says if tan of A plus B equal to √3 and tan of A minus B equal to 1/√3 and sum of angle is greater than 0 and less than equal to 90, and also condition A greater than B, find A and B. So this is also similar to previous one, we can easily solve. Clear? So how we can solve? As we are given tan of a plus b equal to root 3. So again you can say at what angle value of tan is root 3. So see table, tan at what angle is root 3. So at what 60. So tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 can be replaced by tan 60. So this is tan 60 degree. Now equal to both sides, tan is there. The same operator they are operating, so they will be remove each other. This tan and tan will be removed. So here we get a plus b is equal to 60. So this is equation number 1. Now second we are given tan a minus b, tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. So again same process we follow, that at what angle or which angle's value for tan is 1 by root 3. So again say tan at what angle is 1 by root 3, that is 30. So tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3 can be replaced by tan 30. This is clear? We replace 1 upon root 3 as tan 30. Now on equal to both sides there is a tan. So tan remove with tan. So here we get a minus b equal to 30. Now solving these two equations, as you have already know pair of linear equation in two variables. Here variables are x and b. So solving 1 and 2, we get. So by elimination method you can use a plus b 60 and a minus b equal to 30. So add minus minus cancel, a plus a 2a. So 2a equal to 9a. So a equal to 45. Now we put a equal to 45 in equation 4. In this equation, if we put a equal to 45, then what we get? 45 plus b equal to 60. So solve b equal to 60 minus 45, that is 15. So we get therefore answer a equal to 45 degree and b equal to 15 degree. You can also verify this. Suppose a 45, b 15. 45 plus 15 60. That is tan 60 value equal to 3. It means pure a difference b. 45 minus 15, that is 30. Then 30 is. That's why our answer is correct. There may be no problem. So if you are liking this video, then please like, share and subscribe for getting next videos and some more important and easy way problem we get. So have a nice day.